ridiculous to ask someone to give up their whole world for us, but I think we're worth it, and I know that deep down you know we're worth it.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and the tears come streaming down your face, when you lose something you can't replace, when you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will